Alright, we got a little 2-for-1 special today. Let's drop another one. You feel me? I think we got a charger. I think I'm watching a charger video. You know them chargers always end up getting away. So here we go. Let's see. Got the charger right there. It looks like, what year y'all think that charger is? I'm going 2014, maybe even 13. It's definitely one of the older models. I don't think it's an SRT though. So him getting away is very determined on if there's traffic. That's just my guess.
Charger, Hill Street at 20.
See if he pulls over. Pulls over for a millisecond. He gonna wait for him to get out and then turn left. Oh, that didn't work.
I'll call it if he keeps going.
Ah, man, he ain't really even. If you gonna run, bro, run. You know what I'm saying? This ain't really the way to do it.
Right turn, eastbound on the Memorial.
I don't know how this lasts longer than 5 minutes.
142 back there.
You can try to run away in a V6 charger, bro. You gotta pipe down, bro.
Crossing over Cherokee, eastbound Memorial. Wrong side of the road. Going through the light at Park Ave.
This is not gonna end well for him, bro. He don't know what he doing, bro.
Crossing over Boulevard, still eastbound.
He probably asked the passenger, like, hey, bro, should I take off? He downtown, so it's like you can't really like pit him right now. I guess that's probably why they didn't do it right away. For y'all niggas in Georgia, how often do y'all see this? Do y'all just be going to work and just see niggas like running away from police and shit? Cause I don't really think high speed chase. Oh my god! Whoa! Yo, I knew this nigga sucked, but god damn, god, you didn't last 30 seconds. Oh my goodness, nah, he ain't no running after that one, bro. He broke a couple limbs. God damn. Y'all think he broke a couple limbs? Drop that in the comments, bro. Ain't no way he running right now. Y'all think he ran out of the car? Let me know right now before we get to the scene. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's running. Damn.
Yeah, buddy.
Yo.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Look at the police, bro.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get it again. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands behind your back.
Imagine you just chilling. Running with his pants sagging, bro.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
That might have been the shortest.
Put your hands behind
That
your
might
back.
have been the shortest one ever. I'm gonna keep watching and see what else happens because it's a fairly long video. Imagine these niggas, they just chilling. Y'all see them over there, bro? They just chilling, bro. I don't even know if this is, what is this, a church or it's some type of establishment. You know what I'm saying? That's just what you catch when you outside, bro. And they acting like this shit completely normal. That's why. Look, he just popped the chair out. He just popped the chair out. He finna watch the rest of the show. And that's what I'm trying to say when y'all boys in Georgia, bro. Like, is this shit just happens every day on some normal shit? These niggas over here smoking a cigarette, chilling. Our buddy over here getting arrested. A big ass car crash happened in front of them, and they just watching the show. Y'all niggas in Georgia on some other shit, bro. That shit GTA lobby, bro. For real, for real. Pants sagging, bro.
Let me get pictures of that taser. Stay right here for me, my man. Turn around, face the car, face the car. Face the car. Stay right
What y'all think he got in the car? Y'all think he got something that was worth running?
Okay. Hold on, let me
Okay, so am I supposed
Show Mill completed of left side frame.
Oh no, I'm trying to wait it out, but
Heavy shut down.
let's check. Let's check. See if we get any other scenery.
Hold on.
I bet that taser hurt, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh shit. Wrong thing.
Nah, no other scenery. That's it. It just yapping, but that's it, man. He got busted pretty quick. Damn. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe so I can drop more. God, man, bro, this dude, that shit happened so quick. I wasn't even expecting that shit. Let's go back and look at it. Here, bro, he was running.
I've got the intersection shut
What
down
did he
here.
hit? I think he just hit the curb. It was nothing. It was nothing there for real though. I think that nigga just hit the curb or spun out.
Clear north on Dolgate. I've got the intersection
There was
shut
literally
down
nothing
here.
there.
Memorial.
There was nothing there. He just crashed.
I've got the intersection shut down here.
He just crashed, bro. I don't know what to say about that. He just crashed.